If you're using the tubeless system and have a stubborn tire that just doesn't want to seal, this tech tip video is for you. Most of the time, any sealing issue is just the liner being misaligned inside of the tire from not having enough lubrication on all of the sealing surfaces on install. For this, we have a simple reset procedure to get your tire sealed and back up and running quickly. First, remove the valve core from the high pressure tube. Then loosen the rim lock nut until there are 2 to 3 of the large threads above the top of the nut. Now break the bead of the tire away from the rim, starting at the rim lock so that you can push the tire down and squirt soapy water inside of the tire. Make sure to squirt the soapy water every few inches around both sides of the wheel. Forcibly bounce the tire on the ground and rotate until you have bounced the tire all the way around. This will break the red liner loose anywhere it might be hung up and distribute the soapy water all the way around the red liner. Now reinstall the valve core in the high pressure tube. Inflate the high pressure to 125 psi and the low pressure to 15 psi and wait 5 minutes for any trapped air in the rim chamber to escape. If the low pressure is holding at this point, tighten the rim lock and you're good to go. If it still isn't sealed at this point, remove the valve core, loosen the rim lock nut, bounce and rotate the tire again, and reinstall and inflate everything as stated before. You may need to do this 2 or 3 times if it is really sticking somewhere in the tire. Once you have it holding air properly, make sure the high pressure is 120 psi, the low pressure is where you want it for riding, and the rim lock nut is tightened properly, and go ride. If you still can't get it to work, there is most likely damage to either the sealing bead of the red liner or to the inside surface of the tire that it seals against. So the next step is to remove the system and inspect for damage. If any damage is found, either the red liner or the tire will need to be replaced. If you can't find any damage and still can't get it to work, contact us and we'll be happy to work with you to get you up and running. Thanks for watching.